Welcome to Vidyarambha Academy. Let us see conjugation of helping verbs along with main forms of verbs. So we are taking one trick so that we shall keep in mind what correct combination comes. We shall try to understand using this trick of 436 not 11. This way we are going to learn the trick 436 not 11. Okay, now let us see how to combine them. Here is one speed breaker shown. Here there are 4 extra helping verbs. But these are not considered under 24 helping verbs which are used to create a question or a negative sentence. To keep in mind, they are 24 plus added with these 4. There is some purpose. We shall understand further. Now we shall take first am taking, is taking, are taking, was taking, were taking, be taking. This is combination for continuous tense. Now we shall try to recite further. Am taken, is taken, are taken, was taken, were taken, be taken. Being taken, to be taken. This type of combination is used for creating passive constructions. Now further is have taken, has taken, had taken. This combination gives us perfect tense. So these are connected with third form, that is past participle. Now further comes, we shall start from this point, again restart. 3 times totally we are coming with am. First time we came with am taking, second time we came with am taken, third time we came with am to take. Okay, this is combination for what is planned in future. I am going to do something like that it is. So for that am to take, I am going to take something in future. It is planned, well planned, pre-planned. So for that purpose we are taking am to take, is to take, are to take, was to take, were to take. In this particular category we are not taking these 4 which are added. They are not taken in this case. Now here have to take, has to take, had to take. For this combination it is telling you equivalent to must, means it is very compulsory. So I have to take a pen. My friend has to take a pen. I had to take a pen. My friend had to take a pen. Like that, this combination comes. Last combination, 2 are remaining. Ought to take, it is duty, it is my duty to take. Used to take in past. Old habit, it is not going to continue now. It is stopped habit. So for that, used, that is past tense, habitual past tense, not now it is continuing. So it is stopped. Used to take. In my childhood, I used to take a pen from my friend's shop. Now there is no shop. Now there is no friend here. Okay, that like that it is. Now further combination is do not take, does not take, did not take. It is for creating negative sentences. Need not take, dare not take. This is also added here. Now further last group means column is shall take, will take, can take, could take, would take, should take, may take, might take, must take. If we fix these all 24 verbs plus these 4 for passive, we can understand very well constructions. We can repeat that with 436 of another verb, means play. Then we shall take here playing, here played, here to play, here not play, here play. Like that it will continue. Okay. Now further we shall see once again all combination of 436 not 11 all together. Now recite like that I am reciting. Am taking, is taking, are taking, was taking, were taking, be taking. Then we shall come to taken. Am taken, is taken, are taken, was taken, were taken, be taken, being taken, to be taken, have taken, has taken, had taken. Okay, next. Am to take, is to take, are to take, was to take, were to take. Now skip these 4. Have to take, has to take, had to take, ought to take, used to take. Again I am repeating. Am to take, is to take, are to take, was to take, were to take, have to take, has to take, had to take, ought to take, used to take. For this last we took selected skipping these 4. Okay. Now further. Do not take, does not take, did not take, need not take, dare not take. Similarly, shall take, will take, can take, could take, would take, should take, may take, might take, must take. This way, if we recite we will understand grammar very well. Further explanations will come, and there you will understand each and everything. Okay, thank you for listening and observing this video. Thank you once again.